Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 11th July 2025, Nifty index opened positive but faced selling pressure in the first hour and failed to sustain about 25,500. It slipped to 25,340 and moved in a volatile manner. The second half of the session invited swings, signaling that the broader uptrend remains intact but short-term weakness persists. It formed a bearish belt hold sort of a candle on the daily frame as the bulls underscored and the index closed with losses of around 120 points. India VIX was down by around 2.2% to 11.7 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.97. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,900 to 25,900. While immediate range is in between 25,200 to 25,600 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 586 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 21 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 24.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty holds below 25,400, then weakness could be seen towards 25,222, while a bounce could be seen towards 25,550 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,000 for a bounce towards 57,500, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 56,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Glenmark, Paytm, JSW Energy, PFC, Concor, Maruti, Bajaj Finance and Kalyan Jewellers. While some weakness could be seen in PI Industries, Oil India, Bharat Forge, PSC, Naukri and Bajaj Auto. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.